If you've ever been on a cruise before, then you know that wonderful experience that we call the muster drill. You stand outside, you sweat in the heat, or you're crowded somewhere together with a bunch of other people, and you're stuck there for hours, it feels like, at a time while you're waiting for everybody to get there so they can go through their little presentation and scan your card. While it is a necessary part of cruising, definitely not my favorite part, and I doubt that it's anybody's favorite part, but things have changed. Chris here with High Seas Cruising, and welcome to today's video. Before we get started, do me a favor. Hit that subscribe button. We are this close to reaching our first goal of 1,000 subscribers. Like always, it is free, absolutely free to subscribe. Helps our channel grow and does allow us to continue bringing you cruising content. All right, so the muster drill. In particular, we're going to talk about Carnival Cruise Lines' new muster drill procedures. And I like them. They sound super easy and super user-friendly to me, but let's go over them real quick. So you get on the cruise ship on embarkation day, and there on your cruise card, it's going to tell you where your muster station is based on where your room location is, just in case you've never sailed before. And if you have never sailed before, a muster station essentially is what the lifeboat you would get on and where that lifeboat is located in the event of an emergency. So you look at your sign and sail card, you see where your muster station is, you go straight to your muster station card, and you swipe your card with the crew member that will be there. Now, all members of your party must have their card checked. And once your card has been swiped, then all you have to do is go up to your room and you're going to watch a video that is hosted by Shaquille O'Neal, the fun ambassador for Carnival Cruise Lines. And that's it. That's your muster drill. So if you're one of those type of people that doesn't like to carry your cell phone, you don't need it. Like I said, have your card swiped, you go up and you watch the video directly on your stateroom TV. Now, I'm sure there will be a time limit very similar to there was to the old muster drill. You probably need to have your card at least swiped prior to the sail away party or the ship leaving the dock. That was pretty standard. That's about the same time that the muster drill occurred. But at least you don't have to stand out on the deck crowded by hundreds of people squished in waiting for that last person to arrive as they run around the ship and look for them. You don't have to be crowded into a bar or any other type of venue if you get lucky and get an inside muster station. Now, super easy, super simple. I really, really like it. And I'm looking forward to trying it out and at least skipping that time while not wasted, because don't get me wrong, the muster drill is important. Knowing where your muster station is important. It is a requirement to participate in the muster drill, but I could do away with all of the standing and waiting and all of that stuff as well. All right, I hope you have enjoyed this video on Carnival's new muster drill procedures. If you have, do me a favor. Let's give this video a thumbs up. Have yourself a great day, and we will see you out on the high seas.